What's going on, guys? Today I have a shirt in from Kith. This is the Satin geometric tile print camp shirt in the shark colorway. It's mostly a blue color. It's inspired by the themes in Morocco, such as in their architecture and designs in their like plates, bowls, stuff like that. It's a really intricate design, and I'm really psyched to see what it looks like in person. So this retailed for, I believe it was $185. Now with the new taxes online, I think it went up to about $190. Or sorry, it retailed for $165. I think it went up to around $185, including taxes and everything. So I have my little slip in, has all my personal information. This is the shirt. This looks really, really cool in person. Let's go ahead and get this out of the packaging. Let me see if I can move you guys down a little bit as I'm opening it. Alright, there you guys go. A little better angle for you as far as the opening is concerned, but bye for now. Alright, so this is it. I'm going to go ahead and open it carefully. Oh. Yeah, let's see. There's the tape. Normally it seems like it comes in the plastic where it's got the like big long glue strip, but this is just like taped. The reason I'm being careful with this is I might possibly trade it if it's too big, because I know I like the oversized look of their t-shirts in the size large, and I got this in the size large, but it might not look good in the oversized fit with this design. It's nice and soft. Hold on, let me flip it around. It's got the tags. It's got a, what's it called? Just sort of blue hues getting darker. And it's got a little, that's funny. It's got a little tiny like bag thing. Let me see if I can pop this open. It's weird. Oh, it's extra buttons. Okay. There's one extra button. It sort of looks like a little mini paper bag. It's just attached with all the tags. And then it's got like the price tag and information and stuff like that. So I'm going to leave that on for now. Here, let me give you guys a little bit of a closer look. This thing is folded kind of weirdly in the package, so it's hard to pick up. So there you can see the embroidery. Doesn't really look all that nice, but at the same time, you're not exactly focusing on that because the design of the whole shirt is pretty crazy. Alright, so putting it on body now. I'll pick you guys up in a second. I know this isn't a great angle. I still got the tags dangling there. But it really looks cool, especially in camera. I think it's sort of picking it up. It's got this sort of nice sheen about it. It doesn't just look like 50-year-old bowling alley dad shirt. It looks really, really nice. I guess sort of premium, like you're getting some sort of maybe Versace overcoat or something like that with the sort of sheen that it's got to it. It's a little bit bigger, I would say, than a normal dress shirt, but I would be worried to go a size down. I think that might look a little too taut. But the design looks crazy. So now I'm going ahead and taking a closer look at some of the details that I noticed, just sort of looking at it closer on my own for a couple minutes just now. I compared it to the size of some other large Kith t-shirts that I have, just to see about how, if I possibly wanted to trade for medium instead, to see if maybe a slimmer fit would look better. But I was looking online, especially with the models, and it's got that like little bit of bagginess over here, like there's almost a little bit of extra material, and that's sort of the style. But if we're saying that all of their size larges are meant to fit on the same person, so let's say if you buy a t-shirt in a size large, then their dress shirt in a size large should theoretically fit your same figure. I would recommend, if you're going to buy this piece, I'd possibly go a size down if you prefer like the more tapered slim fit that a lot of dress shirts have nowadays. But now going over some of the finer details, one of the things I just noticed is this awesome little branding on the buttons. So I'm going to go ahead and get a close-up on this. Didn't want to focus there, but I'll try to get some B-roll of it. But in essence, there's a little Kith logo on top and bottom, and I'll go ahead and show you that now. Now just going over the tags if you want to legit check, just see what it looks like. We got this tag, which has that little passage. I'll put it up here if you'd like to pause and read it. This is the price tag. And then this is the little bag that has the extra button in it. Alright, now taking a look at the shirt, it's kind of hard to hold up, but I'll try to point out some of the interesting features. You actually are able to button up right by the collar, but opposed to a normal buttonhole where you go through the fabric, there's a little thing that you can slip it through right here. And then stylistically, the nice thing about this is that it then covers the button here, so it just looks seamless right up here. Then taking a look, you got that same color gradient logo that's on the tags that are attached. And then taking a look on the inside, it's pretty similar material. I would say it's a little bit more coarse on the inside. Definitely feels really nice on the skin, nothing about that, just about how it's different from the outside. Then take a look at these tags. They're actually kind of weird. They're a little faded, that one. All the different languages. So it's 96% polyester, 4% spandex, and dry clean only. I really appreciated your guys' support on the last video I did back in November for the Kith sweatshirt. If you like what you just saw, make sure to like and subscribe for future content. I'm not really sure what I'm going to put up on here. Maybe some more stuff related to Kith, some other things related to my other hobbies. But yeah, that's all for this video. I'm going to throw up some B-roll now of me wearing it. I'll see ya.